Explain the study the effect of open and short circuit on simple circuit. For that we have considered a typical circuit and same circuit we have given in the manual. So we have taken some values R1 330 ohms, R2 150, R3 100 ohms and R4 220 ohms. So we are studying the effect of open and short circuit at these points. So this is my points. I am going to conduct open and short circuit between these 2 points VAB. So let do the calculation for this given circuit. So do the calculation for given circuit. Now the whole circuit is excited by independent voltage source. So therefore we can easily apply Ohm's law. So first find effective resistance. So R2 and R4 are connected in series. This effective combination is connected in parallel and this overall combination connected in series. So we can write directly R1 plus R3 into R2 plus R4 divided by R3 plus R2 plus R4. So now substitute the values what we given. R1 330 ohms plus what is R3 100 ohm into what is R2 150 and R4 is 220 whole divided by R3 100, R2 150 and R4 220. So by solving this, so we get in calculator, so 330 plus 100 into 150 plus 220 divided by 100 plus 150 plus 220. So by doing this we get effective resistance 408.72 ohms. Let us take some voltage 20 volts you take. So from that calculate the current I1. I am considering this current is I1 and this current is I2. Same current flows here I2. This current I am considering as I3. Now I am finding I1. How to find I1? So I1 is E by R effective. So E is 20 and R effective is 408.72. Therefore we get 0.0489 ampere. Similarly find I2 current. So I2 and I3 can be find out by applying current division rule. That is, supply current, to find current in this branch, supply current into opposite resistance R3 divided by R3 plus R2 plus R4. What is supply current? 0.0489 into R3 is 100 divided by 100 plus what is R2? 150 plus R4 is 220. So by solving this we get 0.0489 into 100 divided by 100 plus 150 plus 220. So we get 0.0104 ampere. This is I2 value. Next find I3 value. I am finding current in this branch. For that supply current into, to find current in this branch take other resistance. Other resistance are R2 and R4. R2 plus R4 divided by R3 plus R2 plus R4. What is I1 value? 0.0489 into R2 is 150 plus R4 is 220 divided by 100 plus 150 plus 220. So by doing that, by solving this we get 0.0489 into 150 plus 220 divided by 100 plus 150 plus 220. So we get 0.0384 ampere. So verification, add I2 and I3. I2 plus I3, if adding these two currents I2 and I3, you should get supply current. So we can get this 0.0489 is equal to, what is I2? 0.0104 plus and 0.0384, both are equal. Okay, so now I need to find, this is my area of interest to apply the effect of open and short circuit. So now I am finding voltage at point A to B